Hello guys, good morning everybody. This is Hanuman Nayak and welcome to our channel Smart Study. What study? Smart Study. And now today we are here in the Mathematics Olympiad. Mathematics Olympiad grade 5 is the 5th standard Olympiad. Let's see that. And so if you are watching my videos for first time, please like and share, subscribe our channel and don't forget click on bell icon. So, okay, without any delay we will start the topic. In the topic, what are the contents we saw? We completed the contents. What are the contents are there? And in the out of all chapters, we started the first one is a bigger number. In the bigger number, what we completed, see that. I will recall all this topic in 1 minute and just see that. And at the end of the session, we have to learn this, guys. So in that, what we completed, learning outcomes are no natural and whole numbers and difference between them. We completed that. The natural numbers are starts from what? Natural number starts from the 1 and whole number starts from the 0, and difference between the 1 and 0 is 0. Yes, sorry, 1 and 0 how much? 1. Now understand conversion of the numbers between the Indian and international place values charts. So see that up to 10,000 Indian system and international system both are equal, right? So the difference between Indian and international system is what? In Indian system, the commas from the right side to left side, 3, 2, 2, 2, like that. Means that after 3 digit from the right side to left side, first count the 3 digits, there is a 1 comma. After 2 digits, there is a comma, like that. But coming to the international system, all commas after 3 digits only, from the right side to left side, right? And then next point, now compare and repeat 8 and 9 digit numbers using the commas. Yes, we completed. Perform addition subtraction on predecessor and successor of a number. So we can see that now how much we completed up to here and that. So in this paper we completed think and answers, and this formation of smallest and greatest numbers for using that this numbers, smallest number, these are the numbers. They already gave the answer, but in the previous class I gave the homework. So I gave the task to what? Use this number, try to write maximum greatest number and smallest number. I said that. So how many are completed that? So for them, thank you and congrats those who are done the answer. So those who are not done the answer, please try to solve the answer. Okay, if we are doing the more and more problem, then only we can complete. So just listening of any class, we can't get any knowledge, guys. That's what I am telling. Now see here, word problems. Now coming to the word problems. In the word problem, what we have to learn, that's we have to see. Yes, 1. See here. In the word problem, what is the first problem? What are the natural numbers? Yes, everybody knows that natural numbers are starts from 1. Natural numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. These are the natural numbers. Answer for the first question. Then next, write any 5 8 digit numbers using Indian system and of represent 5 and 8 digits. Very good, we don't have any problem. So we can write that 5 6 4 3. So this is a 5 digit number. So first we complete this, after that we can see the next 8 digit number. So I took that 5 digit number is this. And Indian system, how to write, guys? 5 6 4 2 3. Yes, in the Indian system, when you are writing the Indian system, you have to do that from the right side to left side, commas, you have to place the commas. So according to the arrow mark, you have to place. Now see here, our first comma should be that this is the first, second and third. Here place the 1 comma. After that 2 digits, 1 2. So after that there is a no digit, then don't put any commas. So this is my Indian system representation. This only the answer, Indian system representation. How to call this, guys? How can you call this number? 56,423. 56,423. Write in words also, and write in words and put in the comment box. And next question, how many digits? 8 digits. 8 digits means, again I start 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. How many digits? 6 7 8. Yeah, right. Now for this. How many is it? 3, 6 plus 2, 8. Yes, good. Now, the answer for this, any system, Indian system, first comma here, 3 digits, after 2 digits, after again 2 digits. So, how to call this, guys? 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs as, okay, sorry, just wait. Here after, yeah, 87 lakhs, 65,000, huh? Okay, hold it. Yes. Yeah. Here comma, and after comma here, after comma here. Okay. Now how to call this? 8 crores 76 lakhs 54,321. So commas are 3 after 3 digit, after 2 digit, after 2 digit, after 1, right? So here 8 crore 76 lakhs 54,321 is the our answer. What is the answer? 8 crores 76 lakhs 54,321 is your answer, guys. For the next question, see the next question. What is the next question, guys? I will delete this and focus. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, okay, anyhow, we will start here. The represent, yeah, using Indian and international system both. I will write here, don't worry. I will write that number 59259385. Okay, 85. And this number we have to write in both Indian system and international system. Here, okay, how to write this? Okay, right, 59259385. Na? So place the commas in Indian system. First comma, second comma, third comma. Okay, now can you call this number? How to read this number? 5 crore 92 lakhs 59,385. The number, I repeat, 5 crore 92 lakhs 59,385. In international system, I write here only. In international system, how to write this number? 59259,385 is the number, no? Now put the commas, comma, comma, yes. Now how to read this? $59,259,385 in the international system. 59,259,385. I repeat, 59,259,385. 385. That's the answer. And the next question, what is the difference between place value and face value of the 4 in this number? So I will write here that number. The number is 297491. That is the number. And everybody knows that place value of 4 is how much? Place value of 4 is 400. How? You everybody knows that. It's 100 place 100 into 4, 400. And the face value is how much? 4 only. And difference between these two is how much? 396 is the answer. 390. Yeah, what happened? 6. 396 is the answer for this question. Okay. And next question. Question number 4. Form a number using this 4310 such that nearer to 1040. See guys, what is the given number? 4 comma 3 comma 1 comma 0. This is the number, and they are telling that try to write this number nearest to 1040. How to write that? How to form a number with the help of this? So here see guys, nearest to this is the 1040 na? So if you want to write nearest to the 1040, copy the first two numbers are same, and next digit is about 10 is completed. Near 43 and 34, if you write here, yeah, I will write here, one is 34 and one is 43, and this number is about 40. This number is about 40. Which number is nearer to the 40? Either 43 or 34. Can you tell me that? 43 is a very nearer to the 40 compared to the 34. Yes or no? So can I write here? Can I write here? How much? 43. That's my answer. I hope you understood that. So see, whatever they gave a number, just copy that number first two digits, because of we have to write nearer. Nearer means if you write the 3 first, then it will become 3000. If you write 4 here, that will become 4000. If you write first 0, then it will comes in hundreds only, because of there is no value of 0 in the first position, right? So we have to do the first two digits. Please copy the two digits. After that, what to do? Just write this number. Either I want to write 43 or 34. Now compare these two digits with what your given question. Compare with the given question. Out of 40, which one is nearer? Either 34 nearer or 43 nearer? 43. So the difference between 40 and 43 is 3, but 40 and 34 is 6. So I feel that this is the answer. 1043 is nearest for that. Now next is 2 or first. Now answer for this question. 65372416 is the number is greater than 6536. How to tell the answer for the greater or less? How to? What I said? First six same, 5 same, 3 same, 7 6. 7 is greater than 6 or not? Yes. What are they using? Is greater than that? Yes. That's why the answer is true. So if you do this way, you can't stress on your brain or mind. If you read the complete number, then what happens, guys? You are stressing your brain. Don't stress. Don't give the work to your brain. Peacefully, with the fun, you can do the enjoy the problems. Natural number starts with a 0? No. What number starts with a 0? Whole numbers. Face value of 7 is 70? No. Face value is not a question only the answer. What I said? 7 only. So here 7 instead of 70 they gave. So it is false. Next, successor. Successor is what? Next number. Successor means successor of 336351 is 336351. Same? No. Successor means next number. So it also false. The smallest number that can be formed using the digits is this. Yes or no? Double one first minimum numbers, after that next minimum number, after that next number. 1149 is a maximum number. This is the number minimum. So it is the what? True. Yes. Now see that. Now see here. Indian representation Indian representation, 0 international representation, and here some number they give. This is an Indian system and this is an international system. So I am thinking that the fourth one is A, and this is the international system, so this is C, and 0 is whole number, that is D. And international representation, which one is shows the international representation? You knows that this is the Indian representation, so this is the B, and this is what? E. Left out only, na? That's the answer. You have to answer like that. See here, Indian representation, first one is what? Indian representation, here Indian system. Don't write like that. See, they just confused to you. Indian representation, they are giving Indian system, and here there is some representation they are given. So just write, concentrate on the problem. So you can do this problem. Okay, next thing, there is one activity. Now today I am giving activity and project work to you, everybody. You have to solve the project work and activity and put in the comment box. Using all the digits 2953, find how many numbers can be formed less than 3000. How many numbers can you form the less than 3000, guys? If you want to form the number in less than 3000, first number should be can you write start from the 3? Less than 3000 means you have to start with what? Less than 3. Yes or no? Yeah, first digit is what, guys? 3. If you want to write any number less than 3000, so you have to start with what? Less than 3 only. So here how many numbers are less than 3? Only one number. Only one number. So your first number should be the what? 2 only. Your first place is fixed. Next number is what? You can shuffle. You can write in how many ways you can write, that many ways. I am giving some hints. 2953. This is the first one way. And second way is what? First number should be the 2. Don't change anything here. After that what? 5, 3, 9. This is also less than 3. Less than 3000. Yes or no? Yes. And next is what? 2. Next I will write 3. 3, 9, 5. And like this you have to frame the question. Like this you have to frame the question. The how many numbers can be formed less than like 3000. These whatever I wrote on the screen, these all are less than 3000 or not? Yes. And meanwhile you have to solve more, and there is a few more there is also there. That is your homework. You shuffle this and write the answer. Okay, and comment on write your answer on comment box. Next, your project work. Find the distance in the kilometer of first 6 planets from the sun. So what is your next job? Go through the internet, search that. Before going to the internet, try to ask your parents or brothers, those who are neighbors to you, those who are elders. Ask to them, what are the 9 planets? 9 or 8? How many? 8 planets. What are those? Write it first. And after that, what is the distance? Do you know that? Just ask to them. Do you know what is the distance between the planets? Then ask. After that, take the help of them and go to the internet. In your mobile also you can search that distance between planets. Those are first 6 planets. First means what? From starting with the sun to the Pluto, last one. Okay, Neptune. So but don't copy from the bottom to top. So copy from the bottom to top to bottom. Okay. So in the next class we will see that Olympiad exercise. Up to that, bye bye, sign off.